Hi, this video is about how to place the fill light under wall unit. You can get the fill light from Cloud, Decoration, Lighting, Fill Light. Let's drag this fill light out, and I'm trying to put it exactly under the wall unit, but it keeps dropping onto the worktop instead of sticking onto the wall unit. That's because the fill light is set to be placed on top of something. So to place it freely, you may press Ctrl or spacebar while you move. If you want to change the size of the fill light, it is not recommended that you use the C shortcut, because after you change the size, the fill light will revert back to the default placement, which is on top of something. So let's undo this. To change the size, you may use the information function from the top menu and change the size here. Input a number and press enter. Okay, and let's adjust the location again. Press Ctrl or spacebar while you move the fill light. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.